請以熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎首次參加匯演嘅東井園林東慈善基金嘅隊員啊！呢個咧係香港註冊嘅慈善聯體，一直以贈醫施藥推廣德用濟世利民為個宗旨。今次咧為咗匯演為大家帶嚟咗群仙匯聚喜迎出，希望香港注入正能量，祈求佛菩薩佛力加被，昂福瑞長啊！Please give a big hand to the Dongcheng Yunlam Top Charitable Foundations. This charity organization joined us in the first time, which is registered in Hong Kong with a mission to provide a medical service, promote the moral educations, and benefit the people. Tonight they are going to bring you all the traditional Chinese cultural performance and wish you all the best in the serious year of the horse.